hear it all the time. Find your passion and you'll never work a day in your life. Your passion will make room for you. Let your passion drive you. But I'm here to tell you, be very careful with that journey of finding your passion. Your passion comes with responsibility. With responsibility comes challenges. With challenges comes sacrifice. And with sacrifice comes isolation. What happens when the journey of your passion takes you through the mud? The places where people won't follow you. They will only watch you and wait to see if you come up on the other side, to give you a hand once the work's already done. There are people in this world who love you and will celebrate you, but they won't support you. It's up to you to know the difference. For you, what does support look like? Because celebration looks the same no matter what. They'll yell, they'll cheer, they'll clap for you when the work is done. But during those times of darkness, they might not be there. Now, I'm not telling you any of this to discourage you. I'm telling you to understand what you are signing up for. No one can do it all, and no one can do it the same as anyone else. So when you are chasing your dreams and you're following your passion, understand people won't see the dark side of the coin because you won't be presenting that. They will see all your wins, but they'll only see the carefully curated lessons that you present to them to help your story arc. Don't get upset when somebody doesn't understand your sacrifice. If you aren't bearing your scars with the same loudness as you bear your trophies. When you follow your passion and are blessed with the upside, make sure you give grace to those who didn't understand the full picture. It wasn't their burden to carry. It was yours. So follow your passion, but be ready for the sacrifice as well.